Okay, Avenida de Praia Grande. So this is kind of a major thoroughfare that comes through here. Up there is like Sao Paulo ruins and San Malo and Sé Cathedral, and we're going to be walking straight up this avenue right here. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Avenida de Praia Grande. There's a Grande Casino. That's kind of an interesting green building. It's kind of like isolated in a way. Anyways, we're gonna walk down this way. Get a Best Mart there. So we're gonna walk all the way down Avenida de Grande Praia. Phone shop. And you got some stars and kind of cool stuff like that too, right? Seashells. Grande Lisboa right there. That blue building. There's a lot of blue buildings in Macau. Blue and green. A lot of different colors, but sometimes I notice like kind of a blue and green pastel, yellows as well. Definitely the black and white tiles. There's certain looks of the Portuguese influence on the city in southern China. And speaking of which, we have a nice pastel green building coming up. There's some places to sit. You can enjoy some food. So I must be seeing some ballet students. Must be a ballet something around here. Okay, so we have this beautiful green building now. Try to capture it as beautifully as we can. Just kind of see what's inside here. You know, it's like a private residence maybe. There's like a newspaper in there and everything. Oh, it's a school. It's a school. Escola Pui Tau. So I guess it's a school. So we'll just leave that alone. I don't really like to mess around with schools at all. I mean, filming wise, because... Okay, let's just kind of take a look at our street real quick. So that's the street that we're on. Some buses. Keep on walking down. And I think we're going to be ending this video in a minute. So this just keeps on going down to Avenida de Praia Grande. Then Rua do Campo is directly that way. So we're going to cross the street in a minute. So yeah, that's Rua do Campo. That's a Catholic building right there. That's some big changes are happening there. And that's all Avenida de Praia Grande. Goes all the way down that way, and it goes all the way down that way. And then historically that would have been the end of it at the big building. So this would have been the road of the big beach. So Praia Grande is big beach. So let's just see if we can get down here a little bit further. Have to wait a while for the lights, I guess. Could go that way, but we'll wait. There we go. Kind of stuck here. I kind of want to walk that way. There we go. Finally. Because some of the lighting here isn't set up very well, so you have to wait quite a while just to get over here. And then you get over here and you have to wait a while again, right? So I guess we'll take advantage of this time. So Avenida de Praia Grande, that's our side street. So this used to be where the beach used to come. Street of the big beach, Avenida de Praia Grande, and it goes all the way down to that pink building. And I was filming there recently a few times over the last little bit, so I think we're gonna deviate a little bit, kind of go into this park a little bit, kind of show you some of the stuff around here. Okay. Okay, that's kind of interesting. Simplicity, temperance, charity, and goodness. The 4 goddesses. So those 4 represent the 4 goddesses, like that. So, okay. So we could walk down that way, but I think I'm going to end this one by looking at this ship. Kind of complete the Portuguese theme with a ship, flamingo bird, and also we'll that's our street over there, and then we had a school over here too. That's interesting. Sacred Heart, I think it's called. Can't remember. No, Santa Rosa. And I guess we'll kind of end it. Maybe right in here somewhere. So that was our street, Avenida de Praia Grande. We'll end it right there. We'll end it with a cinema. So there's a cinema. Then we also have this mural here too. So end it in a minute. Let's come up around here and we'll end it. So now we're a little bit on Rua del Campo, different street, but Avenida de Praia Grande was our focus, and it's right down there. It's a Catholic services building, and that's where we'll end this one.